Starting a keto diet can be a significant change for your body, so it's important to approach it in a well-informed and careful manner. Here's a general guide to help you begin. 1. Understand the keto diet. Research and understand the principles of the ketogenic diet, which involves consuming high amounts of healthy fats, a moderate amount of protein, and minimal carbohydrates. Know that the goal is to shift your body into a state of ketosis, where it primarily burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. 2. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan that includes a variety of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, along with moderate amounts of protein from sources like poultry, fish, and eggs. Limit your carbohydrate intake to around 20 to 50 grams per day, focusing on low-carb vegetables like leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. 3. Transition gradually. If you're used to a high-carb diet, consider gradually reducing your carb intake over a week or two to help minimize potential side effects like the keto flu. Start incorporating more healthy fats and moderate protein into your meals as you decrease your carbohydrate consumption. 4. Stay hydrated and mindful of electrolytes. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, as the keto diet can have a diuretic effect. Consume foods rich in electrolytes, such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, or consider taking supplements to maintain electrolyte balance. 5. Monitor your macros and ketone levels. Keep track of your macronutrient intake to ensure you're maintaining the appropriate ratios of fat, protein, and carbohydrates. Consider using ketone strips or a blood ketone meter to monitor your ketone levels and ensure that your body is in ketosis. 6. Be patient and listen to your body. Understand that it may take some time for your body to adapt to the keto diet. You might experience some initial side effects, such as fatigue or irritability, but these should improve as your body adjusts. Pay attention to how your body responds to the diet and make adjustments accordingly. 7. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or concerns, consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting the keto diet to ensure it is suitable for you. Remember that the keto diet is not suitable for everyone, so it's essential to assess whether it aligns with your health goals and lifestyle.